What's the topic again? Have you started recording? Okay, what's the topic again? Oh my god, I forgot the topic. Hello guys. Oh my goodness. Welcome to my channel. My name is Kunle Capture, as you guys know. And in today's episode, I want to talk about verification on Instagram. I mean, why do you need verification as a photographer on Instagram? I mean, why? Let us dissect, dilute, and diverse audio matter. Okay. Now, in your mind, you might be thinking, why do I need to be verified? I'm not ready to pay. I'm not ready to go through the process. Blah 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 blah. I'm telling you that you actually need that verification badge. This verification badge on Instagram is very, very important. Now, I live in Lagos, Nigeria. I don't know where you're watching this video from, but what I know as regards this country is that a client wants to book you for a shoot and they are not sure, all right? Because in Nigeria, we know that if you are not being scammed, someone might want to scam you, or you are running from scam. You have to be one of the three, okay? So how are we to be sure? All right, a client. How will a client be sure? Nobody referred you. They don't know you from Adam, and they don't know you from Eve either. So how are they going to be sure that you are not going to like collect money and not show up? All right, so that's the one of the purpose of verification. Now, verification does not mean that yes, for sure, you are genuine. You're not going to like abscond with money or something. It doesn't, but to some extent, it actually creates credibility. All right, so when clients believe that okay, you must have sent your ID to Instagram, and then Instagram has verified you, and then you have some quite number of followers, your portfolio is looking good, I think it creates some credibility. So why do you need verification? Before we get to how you can get it, I mean, because if you don't know why, you might not like feel you should get it. Now let me tell you a few reasons why. Most important, let me just say three. Most important thing is credibility and trust. All right, the badge kind of assure you that you are credible. Okay, that is, Instagram has checked your ID card and they are sure that you're actually like genuine. All right, that's number two. Increase visibility. Instagram said when you are verified, you will much more be visible on search and suggestion, but I don't think that is true, because since I got my verification, I don't see myself having more engagement than before. So I don't believe that to be true. And thirdly, protection against impersonation. Now, I've not tried that before. I don't know how sure it is, but if you're actually verified, if you have issues with your account, all right, it is easy for you to actually resolve it. It's not like it is easy, but of course it is easier than when you're someone that is not verified. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So it is very, very important. Now, there are more other reasons, more other importance why you should get the verification badge that I'm going to mention, but that three should be okay. All right, so how do you get this verification badge? Now, there are two ways you can actually get it on your Instagram profile. The first way is to go the right way. Not that the other way is not the right way anyway, but just stay with me. Now, the first way is you bring all your documents. They are all credible, and you applied on Instagram. I think you apply on the app, and then you send all your documents. Now, the truth is, this method can be very, very frustrating. It's stringent. It's like you're applying for visa. Let's say as in Nigeria, you're applying for Canadian visa, and then you don't have much money in your savings. You don't meet most of the requirements, or let's say you meet it, but then how do you actually prove that you actually meet most of the requirements? So it is difficult for Instagram to actually trust you that you are like personality, someone they can attest to that yes, you are genuine. It's difficult for Instagram, so they go through a lot of stringent processes, checking your profile, checking your other social media platform. At the end of the day, they might look at you and be like, you know what, this guy is not genuine, so they will not give you. So the process for the first one is very stringent. Now, it becomes easier for you if you are very, very popular. Let's say you are Davido, right? But you are not Davido. Okay, let's say like you have a personality, you are very popular. It is easy because by the time you arrange your document, your identity, it's easy for them to actually confirm who you are because you are popular. But if you are like me, that you are not yet popular, because I'm still popular, but not yet, okay, but I'm still popular, okay. So if you are like me, that you are not yet popular, you're on your way to be popular, and you still want to get a verification badge, the alternative is, my brother, my sister, just pay. All right, now it's not that expensive depending on how your profile is. Okay, now for my own verification, I got it at 4,500 naira per month. Yes, I'm not supposed to like I'm not going to hide it. I'm just going to tell you right now. To do that, you have to still present your identity. You have to do that. Okay, you have to do that. They will confirm your identity before, even though you pay. It doesn't mean they'll just verify you when you don't have your identity there. Because when everybody see that verification badge, it is assumed that yes, you are genuine. Okay, so they have to see your ID card. And of course it has to be valid ID card, such as international passports, driver's license. I don't know if NIN is accepted in Nigeria. Now if you are in other African countries, you can use your passport, or other government approved valid ID card. You can use that. All right, so now the price actually varies. Okay, now if I don't know what determines the price, however, if depending on your followers and the kind of engagement you're having on your page, that's what will determine how much they are going to charge you. So I can't say for sure how much it's going to be, but of course it's a monthly payment, and it has several packages. Okay, so the package I am is like one of the smallest package you can have for my own level, which is 4,500 per month. That is like $3, less than $3 per month. That's what I'm paying. And then since I've been doing that, I can tell you that I think the money is worth it, because I actually drop my identity, and then when people interact with me, they have this feelings that yes, this guy is verified and I think is genuine. So I don't have to do much work in proving to prospective clients that I'm actually a genuine guy. But merely looking at me should know I'm a genuine guy now, because my face is all on my page. My face is everywhere, so yeah. So if your face is not everywhere like that, just try and get it. Now for some people it's going to be 8,500 naira, which is like, how many dollar is that? That's like $5, yeah, $5, yeah, or thereabout. Dollar rate changes in comparison to naira or Ghana cedis or the country that you are. Okay, so for some people it's going to be more, a lot of money. All right, so I don't know how much it's going to be, but any amount it is, if you can afford it and you can get it, I bet you should, especially if you're photographers or you are doing creative jobs where you get clients online, or of course you are doing business. Okay, so in order to get the verification, the second method which I said you pay, all you have to do is to go to your profile. When you log into your account, when you're on your profile, click on, there is one 3- hamburger dash that is on your profile. All right, once you click on it, you scroll down, you are going to see Meta verified. All right, I want to click on it, just follow the prompt. If you are not a primary school student, if you are not a baby, you should understand the process. All right, then when you get to where you're supposed to pay, you just put your card and you pay. Then when you get to where you're supposed to send the ID card, make sure you snap it clearly and send it to them, and within 48 hours it should be verified. And that's it. So if this video has helped you, remember to comment and say thank you, I've been helped. All right, but if there are other methods you can be verified that I didn't mention, you guys can drop it in the comment section if you know any, so that it can help other people. So with that being said and done, thank you for catching me on this particular video. Remember to subscribe for photography tutorials, main tutorials, and of course my podcast show. So I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Bye.